Alright guys, hi, I'm Miss Davidson. For those of you that are in Miss Bain's class, I am going to demo the Copper Lab for you guys, and it's going to probably be about 2 videos, maybe 3. We're going to see kind of where to split stuff up. So you should have your pink sheet out. Remember, if you're watching it in Miss Bain's class, you can go to my website, Miss Davidson, or Elizabeth Davidson, and it'll be posted there. So if you have to go back and get some things for your pre-lab, do that there. Those of you that are in my class, feel free to pause it, do whatever. Okay, so pink sheet, lab sheet should be out. Take notes on here, do whatever you want on here to help you out. Okay. Alright, so first thing you need to do, I have it already set up back here, and I might move the camera around a little bit. You need to prepare for reaction number 2. You're going to get a water bath, so you're going to fill a beaker up with about 50 milliliters of water, maybe a little bit more. This is a little low. So I'm going to put a little bit more in there. It doesn't have to be an exact amount, just enough to give it a water bath. Okay? So reaction number 1, you're supposed to describe the different chemicals we have. So first one is copper nitrate. Alright? Put down any physical descriptions in your data table, which you will also be getting, or write them on here. Okay? Sodium hydroxide, this is what it looks like. Alright, so describe those 2 things in your data table. Okay, you're going to be adding about 10 drops, okay, of sodium nitrate or copper nitrate, sorry, and then about 20 drops of hydrochloric acid. Okay, so you should mix those 2, and remember, you're doing everything in the same test tube. Alright, so it was clear to start off with, and I don't know, if I swirl it around the edge, you can see that there's chunks that are being formed. Okay, it is no longer cloudy. Alright, so this is what you should be getting. And on the video it looks more really bright blue, but actually it is a lighter, kind of like aquamarine color. Okay, so that is what you should stir, also with a stirring rod. Okay, every time you use your stirring rod today, I want you to rinse it off and then dry it off. Okay, so every time rinse it and then use a paper towel to dry it off. Okay, this is your new product. Alright, and it should be on your data table. It tells you kind of what they are. Alright, so step 2, reaction number 2, you are supposed to put this into the water bath, okay, and you are going to heat it until no more changes happen. Okay, it's going to turn a dark black color, or blackish color, and you can add a few more drops of sodium hydroxide if you need to. When you get to that point, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here. So this will be our video number 1, and hopefully when we come back it will be black in color.